Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can change the background of the Zoom. Now for that, first of all, you need to open the Zoom app on the desktop. Here I'm going to open my Zoom app. You need to get signed in, so click on sign in option. Now here you type in your email address to get logged in. Then type in your password. Then click on sign in. Now here I'm gonna click on new meeting and create a new meeting to show you how to change your Zoom background. Now here you can see I have started a new meeting. Currently the background of mine is totally a black background and there is no one joining me in this meeting at the moment. Now I'm going to change my background of this black background to something else. For that you need to go to the video option over here. Then you click on the up menu in here and from this option you select choose virtual background. Once you're at this page, you can choose the option of which background do you prefer. I'm just gonna go with this one and then you cross it, and with this you have changed the background for your Zoom meeting. You can even add your own background. Now for that, again go to the video section, click on the option and from there select choose virtual background. Currently you can just use any of these three as the background for yourself, but to add a new background you can click on the plus icon in here, click on add image. Now from here you can browse from your PC and select whatever picture that you want for your background. And I selected this one of the pictures from my photo gallery. Here you can see this will how your background will look when you choose a different picture from your own gallery. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.